Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dr. Stewart. Today we had a very special guest, Motocross Rider Ty Casey, stop in. He's been dealing with a lot of low back pain that's kept him out of competition, and we just need to get him back out there. So let's go and take a look at some of his stuff real quick, and then we'll hop on in for the adjustment. Alright guys, so pretty cool stuff there. Make sure to head over to his channel. I'll put a link in the description, but stop on over, show him some love and support. But let's go ahead and head on in and take a look at his adjustment.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic, adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic, wanna get cracked up, you can have it. Got you feeling good, got you feeling good, got you feeling, got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
So going through a lot of low back issues. In addition to motocross, he also works for a moving company, so a lot of wear and tear on the spine, and it just is progressively getting worse. But tell us just a little bit about what's going on and kind of what you're going through.
Like I already said, I was just motocross my whole life since I was 5 years old to now 23, and competing nationwide from 15 to now. And I want to compete again, but like the lower back thing just holding me back the whole time. And now it's actually a joint removal and moving, and it's my company, so like it's really, I don't have that much help. It's like me doing everything. And a lot of the time I probably should call in some help and like pay someone like $30, but I'm just being cheap. So like I'm just throwing some big cabinet or some big couch like up my chest and like just wrenching my back, doing a bunch of stupid stuff. And then after work, I'll just go and pound myself out of the gym and do some squats, and then do like 30 minutes cardio, just non-stop, aggravate my back. And then I used to go to a different chiropractor, like I was telling you, and he would just do like a few things and then call it a day. But like I said, he was doing me a favor, so I didn't really expect much. But now I'm coming in here to see if you can make a difference. So see what the hell's going on back here, because it's like constant pain, can't sleep, can't even work out right, had to give up squatting like recently, and just affecting everything. Work, sleep, not working out anymore, my legs are shrinking, like can't even gain muscle because just back problems, stuff like that. So
And way too young to be dealing with that.
Yeah, 23 now, and feel like I got the back of a 50-year-old. Like my dad's like 58, I think now, and he doesn't even complain about his back as much as I do.
Okay.
I used to do construction before all this, so I complain about my back all the time, like carrying lumber from the backyard to the front yard. He's like, what are you talking about? Like, he's like, my back didn't hurt. You're like 20 years old and you're complaining about your back. So I'm like, yeah, it's a lot. So
Well, let's get you taken care of then, man. Let's go face down first. I know through the exam we felt almost a reversal of your lumbar spine, and really tight through the low back. So we'll start there, and then you were also saying some shoulder issues as well.
Yeah, this one was grinding, I think.
The right shoulder was grinding, so we'll take a look at that as well. So let's go face down. That QL that I was talking about, quadratus lumborum, this is where that starts, and on your right side, that's really tight through there.
Yeah, painful.
Right side's locked up. It doesn't move at all. You feel the difference there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to start with a Theragun and just loosen up the shoulders a little bit more.
Okay.
Let's bring this right arm just on your here, just like that. Doing all right?
Yeah. Whenever anything hurts, I just laugh.
Yeah, it's right in through there.
Yeah.
Pretty tender.
Yeah.
So I just want to loosen that up a little bit, and then a little bit later on we'll do a specific adjustment on the scapula itself. And I'll take 3 deep breaths in and out. Okay, just relax that down. So this side's tight, but your pelvis is almost rotated like this. So we're gonna do I'm gonna scoot down just a little bit. Just gonna drop down. So let's lay on the left side first. So we're going to do a push on this side and then a pull on the other. Just going to take one a little bit more. Good. Okay, and deep breath in, exhale all the way. Good. Whew. Okay, other side for me. How'd you do with that?
It's fine.
This thing up. This arm down. And there we go. So this side we're going to pull down here. Good. And I'm going to go up right through here. A little bit further.
Just break my wrist.
Okay. So legs all the way down. Arms nice and tight here. Go and roll towards me, and we're just gonna pick up the spine here. Mainly up right through here. Bring your chin towards your chest. Exhale all the way. Down a little bit through here. And exhale again. Good. Okay. And with that right shoulder, let's cup this ear. I know. Right back to that spot. This is the main reason why you're having that grinding though, because everything's seized up here and it just doesn't let.
I can't believe how bad this hurts.
Another couple deep breaths in and out. So that did loosen up. Now we're just gonna adjust that. So deep breath in, exhale all the way. Doing all right?
I can't believe how bad that hurt.
What side was that you were having trouble looking to?
I could look farther that way than this way.
Okay. Let's go ahead and do that and let me know where you feel tightness when you're doing it. So look all the way to the left and all the way to the right.
Like here, and then like a little bit like right there.
Okay. So right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna go on the left first here. Deep breath in, drop that left shoulder. And we go just a little lower here. You all right with that?
Yeah.
Okay, drop that right shoulder. That was a big one there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's go face down. I'm just going to use the Arthrostim. I'm going to apply pressure, and it just helps to decompress the low back. Okay. So I'll kind of show you here for a second. So the legs will be strapped in. Oh yeah, it's just going to go up and down. So we'll go face down. Scoot up just a little bit for me. There we go. Perfect. Alright, and then reach straight out to the hands in front. There. It's like you're on a bike.
Crazy.
Yeah. Where do you feel this at the most?
Right here.
When you come up here, go ahead and swing your legs around to one side so you can rotate fully around. Drop your legs down on one side and then push up with your hands. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good.
That's like the feeling I always try to achieve. Is
Yeah.
like whatever that was, stretching.
Yeah.
But like when it's pushing like in seats and stuff and like hanging on pull-up bars.
Yeah.
Trying to get that feeling. Because after I do that, it usually feels good for a little bit.
Mhm.
And then I wreck it again doing squats or something.
Yeah. So we need to get you on a good strengthening program specifically for that reverse curve, and then, I mean, foam rolling is not the answer for everything. We want to work on strengthening, but we need to loosen up that area as well. So, like on a daily basis, using a foam roller, definitely icing because of your line of work as well,
Yeah.
and then obviously the motocross. But we need to work on extensions to strengthen that area.
Yeah. Is it just the muscles are weak around it? Is that what you're saying?
Basically.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I think I should work out my lower back, so I've always avoided that.
Specific exercises
about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.